Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to change your email on your Crunchyroll account. So first of all, launch Crunchyroll application on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the category of account. Once you come over here, under membership section, you'll see the section of email. Tap on it. Now, in order to change your email address, simply tap on this option that says Request Email Change Link. So you would have to open your email in order to receive the mail from Crunchyroll for your email change. Now let's tap on this option. So you can see that a link has been sent to my email. You can wait up to 10 minutes for the email to appear. So let's open our email. You can see that I have already received a mail from Crunchyroll. Let's tap on it. Now you can go through these details and then simply tap on the option of Change Email. Now on this field, enter your new email address. Now confirm your new email again. Now you would have to enter the current password of your Crunchyroll account. Once you have entered your password as well, simply tap on the option of Update Email, and with that you will successfully be able to change your email on your Crunchyroll account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.